Dear students, Education Point by Nazmul Islam is my new education related YouTube channel. So everybody subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you. Today we will be solve some algebraic expression related math problems. Exercise 4.1. Question number 14. The two numbers are A and B. Here A greater than B. The sum of two numbers is 12 and the product is 32. Number A, multiply with the help of formula 2x plus 3 into 2x minus 7. Equal 2x plus 3 into 2x minus 7 modify as 2x plus minus 7. Here we will be apply the formula of x plus a into x plus b, that means x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Here 2x consider as x and 3 is considered as a and minus 7 consider as b. According to the formula of x plus a into x plus b, we can write x square means 2x whole square plus a means 3 plus b means minus 7 into x means 2x plus a means 3 into b means minus 7. Square value of 2x equal 4x square plus 3 plus minus multiply minus 7 into 2x plus minus minus 3 7s are 21 4x square plus subtracted value of minus 7 and 3 equal minus 4 into 2x minus 21 equal 4x square plus minus multiply minus 4 to the 8x minus 21. Number B, find the value of 2a square plus 2b square given that two numbers are a and b. According to the question, the sum of two number is 12, that means a plus b equal 12 and the product is 32, that means ab equal 32. Now 2a square plus 2b square, here 2 is the common value. After taking common value, we can write a square plus b square. Here we will be apply the formula of a square plus b square, that means a plus b whole square minus 2ab, 2 into a square plus b square equal a plus b whole square minus 2 into ab equal 2 into, now value of a plus b putting here, value of a plus b equal 12, that means 12 whole square minus 2 into value of ab equal 32, 2 into square value of 12 is 144 minus 32 to the 64, 2 into subtracted value of 144 and 64 equal 80. So their multiply value is 160. Number C, prove that a plus 2b whole square minus 5b square equal 176. From B we get a plus b equal 12 and ab equal 32. At first we will be find out the value of a minus b. We know that a minus b whole square equal a plus b whole square minus 4ab, or a minus b whole square equal value of a plus b equal 12, then whole square minus 4 into value of ab equal 32. A minus b whole square equal square value of 12 is 144 minus multiply value of 4 and 32 equal 128, or a minus b whole square equal subtracted value of 144 and 128 equal 16, or a minus b equal root over 16 square root in both sides. So a minus b equal root over 16 equal 4. Left hand side a plus 2b whole square minus 5b square. Now we will be apply the formula of a plus b whole square, that means a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2 into a into b means 2b, plus b square means 2b whole square, then minus 5b square equal a square plus 2 to the 4ab plus square value of 2b equal 4b square minus 5b square equal a square plus 4ab subtracted value of minus 5b square and plus 4b square equal minus b square. This expression rewrite as a square minus b square plus 4ab. Here we will be apply the formula of a square minus b square, that means a plus b into a minus b. According to the formula of a square minus b square, we can write a plus b into a minus b plus, here we will be apply the formula of 4ab. 4ab equal a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. According to the formula, we can write a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Now value of a plus b and a minus b putting here. Value of a plus b equal 12 into value of a minus b equal 4 plus value of a plus b equal 12 whole square, then minus value of a minus b equal 4 whole square. 4 12 the 48 plus square value of 12 equal 144 minus square value of 4 is 16. 48 plus subtracted value of 144 and minus 16 equal 128. So their added value is 176 equal right hand side So left hand side equal right hand side. Proved.